What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to make fabric face masks. So this one you can tie it size of your head, because let's face it, not everyone has a big head, right? So let's go jump into the video. All right. Okay, so our materials that we need are, you need a scissors, of course. You need a tape measure. You need your ruler. 100% cotton fabric. And for today, because we know spring is approaching us, I decided to use this floral print, which basically symbolizes spring. Fusible inner facing. Basically, you're going to use this to iron onto your cotton fabric on the wrong side. Don't worry, I'm going to demonstrate to you how it is done. So we need 6. So we measure in, 6 by 9 inches. Did I say 6 by 6? So we need 6 by 9 inches. 6 by 9 inches. So, and that has to be 2 pieces. We are gonna do the same thing for the inner facing. 6 by 9. So just to make it easier, I'm just gonna lay this flat and one piece of my fabric that's already cut. One piece of my fabric that's already cut. And so the part of the inner facing that has, you feel that grain, so one side is smooth and the other side has the grain. You're going to iron on the wrong side of your fabric onto that grainy section. When you do that, it's just going to stick. Okay, so we did that, and this is what it looks like after ironing the inner facing onto the wrong side of the fabric. Now we're going to take our other piece, which has no inner facing, and face these 2 pieces right side to right side. But now we need to sew in our straps that's going to tie and hold on to our face. So we're going to make a strap for the face mask. Alright, so we're going to measure 10 inches, and it's going to be 2 pieces for the 4 inches. Let me just do that and come back. I'm going to show you quickly how we're going to make it. So we're just going to turn it into each other like this, and then we're just gonna neatly top stitch straight down. And then just fold it in. 10 inches long, and it's going to be four pieces. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you do decide to make your very own fabric face masks, please let me know in the comments down below, and remember to like and subscribe, as this helps my channel very much, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye, be safe.